everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. Today we are diving into the concept of hierarchy of sets, a fundamental topic in mathematics and data science. So stick around to learn how sets are organized and related to each other. So first of all we will see universal sets. So the universal set contains all elements under consideration in a specific context and it is generated by U. Example, if studying numbers, so U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so these can be considered as universal set. If studying letters, so A, B, C, D till Z can be considered as universal set. Subset, so a set A is said to be subset of U if all elements of A are also in U. So A is a subset of U. Example, A contains 1, 2, 3 and U contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A is subset of U. Second example, A, E, I, O, U, that is subset of alphabets. Then B is subset of U. Now proper subset. So see that here A is proper subset of B if all elements of B of A. If all elements of A are also in B, but B contains at least one element not in B. So external ellipse is showing B and internal is A. So A is proper subset of B here. Example, A contains 1, 2, 3 and B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A is proper subset of B because 4 and 5 are not in A. So A is a proper subset of B because A does not contain 4 and 5. Power set is the set of all subsets of a given set. So example, if a set is A12, so there are 4 elements in power set 5, 1, 2 and 1, 2. And see that if A is ABC, so there are 8 elements. So power set contains to the power n elements. If if a set contains n elements, so power set elements would be 8 elements or 8 subsets, you can say that. So you have learned universal set, the largest set under consideration. Subset, a set contained within another set. Proper subset, a subset that excludes at least one element of the parent set. Power set, the set of all subsets of a given set. So hope you understood. For more resources and videos, quiz and simulators, you can visit postnetwork.co. For a playlist and videos, you can visit YouTube channel. For a post and videos, you can visit Facebook, and you can also connect to PostNetwork Academy LinkedIn page. So thanks for watching the video.